Assalamu alaikum. This is the Al-Taqwa Academy YouTube channel. Today we are going to be showing you guys how to prepare an onion cell wet mount. But before we begin, let's talk about cells. What are cells? Cells are the basic moving blocks of life. Everything has cells. Me, you, plants, animals, even onions. Today we are going to be preparing an onion cell wet mount.
Now we're going to tell you the materials that we need to make the wet mount. We need iodine, we need onion, we need tweezer, we need a drop of water, and dropper, slides, and the cover slip, and we need a light microscope.
Now we're going to prepare the wet mount. Now we're going to take the tweezers. We're going to try to peel the onion's inner skin. This is good. Put it on the slide. Try to flatten it. Don't let it curve, because if it curves, then the whole thing might not work. And don't put your fingerprint in it. You can use the tweezers to make it flat. And then put 2 drops, or 1 drop, so you can see. And then I'm going to take the cover slip on the onion skin, and then I'm going to take the iodine one more drop. Yes, that's good. So now let's try to make it spread around the whole cover slip and spread around the whole onion skin. And now we're gonna move on to the microscope and how to use it. We're gonna put the wet mount under the microscope. So we're going to put the wet mount onto the stage and adjust it using the clippers. But before we look through the microscope, let's examine the parts of the microscope. Here we have the ocular lens where you look through. Here's the on and on button, so just turn that on. And you have the coarse adjustment knob, which moves the stage up and down so you can see better. And the fine adjustment knob, which controls the amount of light. Now let's look through. So I can't see it that clearly, so I'm going to adjust it using the coarse adjustment knob and the fine adjustment knob. And now I can see it clearly. So I can see using the small objective lens right now. So I'm going to move to the medium where I can see it a bit better. And then I'm going to move to the higher where I can see it the most clearly.